Make your money from home with a home business. If you are one of the millions of adults who are unemployed or underemployed, the freedom and independence of operating a business from your own home is an exciting possibility that can easily change the course of your life. This hand-picked selection of home business tips and tricks will provide you with useful insights for your journey. Get input from your friends and family about possible home business ideas. Sometimes your friends and family can see your talent that you've overlooked or have taken for granted. You might not think that people would pay for it, but others see that they would. Choose a product or business that reflects your interests. When starting a home business, you are responsible for motivating yourself and making sure the business gets done every day, no matter how you feel. On the bad days, and there will be some, your love for the business or product will carry you through. Find your business supplies through online searches. Once you obtain a resale license, you can buy wholesale supplies. Online suppliers usually state their terms on their website. Look for the item costs, the minimum order required, and shipping costs. Many reputable suppliers online cater to small businesses and sell wholesale with small or no minimum orders. Join an affiliate program and sell your products through them as well. You can search online to find several that will meet your needs. This allows your home business to exchange affiliate links and reach a broader customer base, leading to increased sales for your product. It is quick and easy to sign up. Be sure that the home business that you are considering is safe for you and your family to get involved with. Look into any chemicals or products that may cause your children harm and learn about the best way to keep them stored safely and out of your child's reach. Make sure your computer is protected. You will keep much of the information and data related to your home business on your computer. Purchase a virus protection program. Make sure your firewalls are enabled and download anti-spy software. These programs will help your computer maintain its vital role in your business. If you still are not convinced that a home business is your best bet, you should give careful consideration to the tips and advice that you have just read. For many people, a home-based business is a ticket to independence, financial success, and self-sufficiency that simply cannot be achieved in the traditional job setting. Student loan.